Barcelona, a city of timeless charm and endless discovery. Nestled on the sun-soaked northeastern coast of Spain, Barcelona is a city where the ancient and the avant-garde coexist harmoniously. From the awe-inspiring creations of Antoni Gaudí to the vibrant markets, hidden gems, and idyllic beaches, this Mediterranean metropolis has a unique story to tell. Whether you're a history buff, a food enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, Barcelona offers something for everyone. Join me on this journey through the heart of Barcelona as we uncover its treasures, savor its flavors, and delve into the rich tapestry of its Catalan culture. A first glimpse of Barcelona, city of art and life. Arriving in Barcelona feels like stepping into a living museum. The city's architectural landscape is dominated by the works of Antoni Gaudí, whose designs seem to defy both logic and gravity. Yet Barcelona isn't just about its stunning structures. It's alive with energy, from the bustling Barcelona beaches to the lively street performances in Las Ramblas. My journey began in Plaça de Catalunya, the city's beating heart. From here, the roads spread like veins, connecting every corner of the city. I set off to explore, eager to uncover both its famous landmarks and its hidden gems. Gaudí's Barcelona, a symphony in stone. Sagrada Familia, the eternal work of art. No visit to Barcelona is complete without marveling at the Sagrada Familia, Antoni Gaudí's unfinished masterpiece. As I stood before its towering spires, I couldn't help but feel awe at the sheer scale and detail of the basilica. Every inch of this architectural marvel tells a story, from the intricate facades depicting the life of Christ to the soaring interior columns that resemble a forest canopy. The Sagrada Familia is not just a building, it's a living symbol of Barcelona's identity. Its construction, which began in 1882, continues to this day, embodying the city's spirit of perseverance and creativity. Parc Güell, a colorful escape. Next on my list was Parc Güell, a vibrant playground of mosaics, sculptures, and gardens. The park felt like stepping into a dream, with its serpentine benches, colorful tiles, and panoramic views of the city. The iconic lizard sculpture, known as El Drac, greeted me at the entrance, a symbol of the whimsical beauty that defines Gaudí's work. Casa Batlló and Casa Mila. Walking along Passeig de Gràcia, I encountered two more of Gaudí's masterpieces, Casa Batlló and Casa Mila, La Pedrera. Both buildings showcase the architect's signature style, with flowing lines, organic shapes, and intricate details. The rooftops of these structures, adorned with chimneys resembling soldiers, offered stunning views of Barcelona's skyline. Exploring the Gothic Quarter, a journey through time. From Gaudí's modernist marvels, I ventured into the Gothic Quarter, the oldest part of the city. This labyrinth of narrow streets and medieval buildings transported me back in time. Barcelona Cathedral. At the heart of the Gothic Quarter stands the Barcelona Cathedral, a magnificent example of Gothic architecture. As I stepped inside, the soaring ceilings, stained glass windows, and ornate chapels took my breath away. Outside, the cathedral's courtyard was home to 13 geese, a quirky tradition symbolizing the life of Saint Eulalia, Barcelona's patron saint. Hidden gems in El Born. A short walk from the Gothic Quarter led me to El Born, a trendy neighborhood filled with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and cultural attractions. The El Born Cultural Center, which houses ancient Roman ruins, offered a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Savoring Barcelona, a food lover's paradise. Barcelona's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, blending traditional Catalan flavors with modern innovation. La Boqueria Market. My food tour began at La Boqueria, Barcelona's iconic market on Las Ramblas. The vibrant stalls overflowed with fresh produce, seafood, and local delicacies. I couldn't resist trying jamón ibérico, a cured ham that melted in my mouth, and a refreshing glass of sangria. Tapas and pinxos. Barcelona's love affair with food continued as I sampled tapas and pinxos in the El Born neighborhood. From patatas bravas to grilled octopus, each dish was a small masterpiece. Paired with a glass of Catalan wine, the experience was nothing short of divine. Catalan cuisine. To truly immerse myself in Catalan culture, I tried escalivada, a dish of smoky grilled vegetables, and crema catalana, a creamy dessert with a caramelized top. These traditional dishes capture the essence of Barcelona's culinary heritage. Sun, sand, and sea. Barcelona's beaches. No trip to Barcelona is complete without a visit to its stunning coastline. The city's beaches are perfect for soaking up the Mediterranean sun or indulging in water sports. Barceloneta Beach, the most famous beach, bustling with activity and lined with seafood restaurants. Bogatel Beach, a quieter spot, ideal for families and those seeking relaxation. Nova Icaria Beach, known for its lively atmosphere and excellent facilities for volleyball and kayaking. As I walked along the promenade, the sound of waves crashing against the shore and the scent of salt water filled the air. Barcelona's beaches offered a perfect retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Nightlife and city vibes. Barcelona's nightlife is as diverse as its culture, offering something for everyone. Pulsating clubs and bars. For those seeking excitement, the beachside clubs like Opium and Pasha are the place to be. Their energetic atmosphere and world-class DJs make them a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Relaxed evenings. For a more laid-back experience, the neighborhoods of El Raval and Gracia are dotted with cozy bars and live music venues. Sipping on a glass of cava, I soaked in the city's vibrant nightlife while enjoying the company of friendly locals. Discovering Barcelona's hidden gems. Beyond its famous landmarks, Barcelona is full of hidden gems waiting to be explored. Bunkers del Carmel, offering panoramic views of the city. This spot is a favorite among photographers and sunset seekers. Pobla Espanyol, an open-air museum showcasing traditional Spanish architecture and crafts. Parc de la Ciutadella, a serene oasis in the heart of the city, complete with a stunning fountain designed by a young Gaudi. Conclusion. Barcelona, a city of endless wonders. Barcelona is a city that leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. Its blend of history, art, and culture creates an experience like no other. Whether you're marveling at Gaudi architecture, discovering Barcelona hidden gems, or indulging in a Barcelona food tour, this city promises unforgettable memories. So pack your bags, embrace the Barcelona city vibes, and let this Mediterranean gem captivate your heart. Or, if you're exploring from afar, let this story transport you to the sunlit streets and vibrant spirit of Barcelona.